Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Thursday. Today we are going to complete a story prediction activity. First, you'll need to put your name and the date up the top. A prediction means that we have a guess about what will happen in the book based on clues in the pictures, text, or from your own ideas. We make predictions before reading, during reading, and after reading. Before reading, we can make predictions by looking at the title or reading the blurb, which is on the back of the book. This will help us predict what we think is going to happen. To make a prediction during reading is when we stop and predict what will happen next. So we use what we've already read and the pictures that we've already seen to make our next prediction. After reading is when we can check if our predictions throughout the story came true or if we need to adjust our prediction. Today, you're going to choose a book either that you have at home or from online, a book that you haven't read before so you can make your prediction. You're going to read the first page of your book before answering the questions below. Question 1 asks you what you already know about the story. So that's where you would write about what you know based on the first page. Next, you're going to write about what do you think will happen. That's going to be what you think is going to happen next. Make sure that you write in your neatest handwriting, and if you would like to, you can also draw pictures that go with your predictions.